So hello class 7th, let's do question number 2 first part. As many of you have not understood, so I am doing it again. Now I say we will evaluate for x is 2 and y is -1. Alright, so now first of all we are going to multiply by the rule which I have told you, that is 2x square will be multiplied by 5x plus 2y square. Then since a minus sign is there, I am writing 5y. Simultaneously I will be starting with the square bracket. 5x plus 2y square, the bracket is closed. Now this is equal to 2 into 5, 2x square into 5x plus 2x square into 2y square minus 5y into 5x plus 5y into 2y square. So square bracket is also closed here. So that is equal to 10x cube plus 4x square y square minus square bracket 25 yx, or you can write xy here, plus 10 y cube. And now we will open this square bracket. So I get 10x cube plus 4x square y square minus 25 xy minus 10 y cube. That is the answer for the first part. Now we need to put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to -1 in LHS. So I substitute the values. What am I going to get? I will get 10 into 2 cube plus 4 into 2 square into -1 square minus 25 into 2 into -1 minus 10 into -1 whole cube. So that is equal to 10 into 8 plus 4 into 8 into -1, 4 into 4 into -1 minus and minus will make a plus 25 into 2 into 1. Then again minus 10 into -1. So that is equal to 80 minus 16 plus 50 plus 10. So the answer I am going to get here is this will also be plus 1. So that is 80 plus 16 plus 50 plus 1, and the answer is 80 plus 50 is 130. 130 plus 10 is 140. 140 plus 16, the answer comes out to be 156. So students, this was the first part of the question, and now I'll start with the second part of the question. Now doing the second part of the question. The second part of the question is second part minus 1 upon 4a plus 1 upon 5b into 1 upon 4a plus 1 upon 5b, and the value here also is given to be a is given to be 8 and your b is given to be 5. Now students, again we have to do this question. So let us see how we can do this question. So that is equal to minus 1 upon 4a into 1 upon 4a plus 1 upon 5b. Quickly I am doing, because this step you all know, plus 1 upon 5b into 1 upon 4a plus 1 upon 5b. So that is equal to minus 1 upon 16a square, then minus 1 upon 4a into 1 upon 5b, because 4 4s are 16 and a into a is a square. I have written this step directly, plus 1 upon 5b into 1 upon 4a plus 1 upon 5b into 1 upon 5b. Now students, here minus 1 upon 16 a square minus 1 upon 20 ab plus 1 upon 20 ab plus 1 upon 25 b square. So these two terms will cancel. So I'll get minus 1 upon 16 a square plus 1 upon 25 b square. Now students, I am going to put the value of a as 8 and the value of b as 5 in the RHS only. So what am I going to get? Minus 1 upon 16 into 8 square plus 1 upon 25 into 5 square. So that is minus 1 upon 16 into 64 plus 1 upon 25 into 25. So 25 and 25 will cancel and this is 4. So I get minus 4 plus 1 and the answer will come out to be minus 3. Clear? I hope this is also clear. Now I am coming to the third part of the question. So I am rubbing this part first. So what do I have? M plus n into 2m minus 3n. The third part, m plus n into 2m minus 3n. So now here m, I'll multiply 2m minus 3n plus n into 2m minus 3n. Also the values of m and n are given, children. The value of m is minus 2 and n is 0. So I write it here only. Later on we will substitute these values. So now here what are we going to get? M into 2m minus m into 3n plus n into 2m minus n into 3n. So that is equal to 2m square minus 3mn plus 2mn minus 3n square. So these two are your like terms. So you will get 2m square minus mn minus 3n square. Now we will substitute. So I'll put m is minus 2 and n is equal to 0. Let's substitute and then let's see what answer are we going to get. So here students, I get 2 into minus 2 whole square minus 2. Why minus 2? ये वाला minus आया, उसके बाद m की वैल्यू क्या है? The value of m is minus 2 into 0 minus 3 into 0 square. So that is 2 into 2 square. 2 minus 2 square is what? It is 4. The square of a negative number is always a positive number. Then 2 into 0 is 0. So I am simply writing plus 0. Minus minus will make a plus. And here 3 into 0 is again 0. So the required answer in this case is 8. I hope it is also clear to you all. Now I come to the fourth part, which was the major problematic area. So here students, in the fourth part, 0.1p plus 0.2q into 0.1p minus 0.2q. Also the values of p and q are given to us. The value of p is 10 and the value of q is 5. So now let us multiply them. On multiplying, I will get 0.1p into 0.1p minus 0.2q plus 0.2q into 0.1p minus 0.2q. Now open the brackets. So 0.1p multiplied by 0.1p minus 0.1p into 0.2q plus 0.2q into 0.1p minus 0.2q into 0.2q. Simply I have opened the brackets. Now 0.1 into 0.1 is, children, 0.01, that is 0.01. So now 0.1 into 0.2 will give me minus 0.02 pq. Here I will get plus 0.02 pq minus 0.04 q square. Now this and this term will cancel out, and here I'll also get p square. So that is 0.01 p square minus 0.04 q square. Now I'll put the values. P is 10 and the value of q is 5. So 0.01 into 10 square minus 0.04 into 5 square. Now 0.01 into 10 square is 100 minus 0.04 into 5 square is 25. So I will multiply this and I will get 1.00 minus 1.00, and the answer will come out to be 0. So that was all about your question number 2. Now I am moving to question number 3. So let's do question number 3. So the first part of the question number 3 is two x minus 3y into 3x plus y plus x plus y 2y into x minus y. So this is your question number 3. Now 2x into 3x plus y minus 3y into 3x plus y. This is what I have got by solving these two brackets. Now coming to the remaining two brackets. So again using a square bracket, x into x minus y plus 2y into x minus y. So that is equal to, now I'll multiply this. So 2x into 3x plus 2x into y minus, now minus sign आ गया, again problematic case, 3y into 3x plus 3y into y. अभी सिर्फ ये और ये सॉल्व करें, अब इसकी बारी, प्लस x into x minus y means x into x minus x into y plus 2y into x minus 2y into y. You can always use a bracket here ताकि confusion ना हो. So that is 2 3s are 6 x square plus 2xy minus 9xy plus 3y square. Always using a bracket when there is a negative sign outside. So plus x square minus xy plus 2xy minus 2y square. So now that is equal to, so 6x square plus 2xy minus, I am opening the bracket now, minus 9xy plus 3 minus 3y square plus x square minus xy plus 2xy minus 2y square. Now I collect the like terms, and on collecting the like terms, what am I going to get? Now here children see, 6x square plus 6x square will give me 7x square, right? Now xy wale terms, 2xy minus 9xy minus xy and 2xy. positive terms को if I take together, then 2xy plus 2xy means 4xy. So I'm writing plus 4xy. And negative वाली terms कौन सी है? This term minus 9xy and this term this term minus xy. ये दोनों negative. So I write minus 10xy. And here minus 3y square and minus 2y square will give me minus 5y square. Now the next step, I again simplify this. So 7x square minus 6xy minus 5y square. So that is your first part of this question. Now students, I'll be solving the third part. Remember, whichever part I am leaving, that you'll be doing and sending as your homework. Now doing the third part of this question. The question third part is 7abc plus b square into 7 minus abc. I'll tell you another way to solve this question also here. c into 2b cube minus 9ab. अभी हम इन दोनों टर्म्स को सेपरेट रखेंगे and we'll be solving them separately. So I get, firstly I'll solve 7abc plus b square into 7 minus abc. जो भी आंसर आएगा, यहाँ से भी एक आंसर निकालेंगे, दोनों को प्लस कर देंगे. So here it is 7abc into 7 minus abc plus b square into 7 minus abc. Whichever method you find easy, you can do that method. So that is equal to 7abc into 7 minus 7abc into abc plus 7 into b square या b square into 7, you can write anything, minus b square into abc. So that is 7 sevens are 49 abc minus 7 a square b square c square plus 7 b square minus a b cube c. So this is what we are getting from the first one. So I give this as equation first. Now solving the second one, that is c into, so I write now c into 2b cube minus 9ab is equal to c into 2b cube minus c into 9ab. So here I get 2b cube c minus 9ab c. This I take as equation number 2. Now I add equation number 1 and I add equation number 2. Now I'll be adding these two equations and now let us see what do I get. What are the like terms first of all. So the first पूरा लिखेंगे 49 abc minus 7 a square b square c square plus 7 b square minus abc, then plus 2b cube c minus 9 abc. Now beta 49 and minus 9 will give us 40 abc. इसके साथ का साथी कोई भी नहीं है, abc minus 7 a square b square c square plus 7 minus 8 b cubes. Okay, so 7 right. So you add them and what are we going to get? Second term में साथी कोई नहीं है, so I'm writing 7 a square b square c square. इसका भी साथी कोई नहीं है, I'm writing plus 7 b square and इन दोनों को combine करके यहाँ प्लस है, एक माइनस है, सो आई गेट प्लस a b cube c. Clear? Now one more part I'll be doing for this question. hope it is done. Take your time. Children, here it is this only, BC only. Make a correction, all of you. So this is 7A. I'll make a correction here also. BQC. So here also BQC. So now the I think I'll do the fifth part, alright, because it is a bit longer part. So I'll do the fifth part and then I'll tell you the homework. So the fifth part is x plus 1 by 1 I'll be writing the term and 1 by 1 I'll be solving it. So that is minus 3x into minus y. So इसको सॉल्व करते हैं, उसके बाद हम सेकेंड टर्म पे जाएंगे. So x into minus 3x minus y plus 2y into minus 3x minus y. So opening the brackets, x into minus 3x plus minus x into y, x into minus y, you can write anything. 2y into minus 3x, अब मैं आपको डायरेक्ट सिखा रही हूँ, minus 2y into y. So that is minus 3x square minus xy minus 6xy minus 2y square. Here I find two like terms. अभी इनको कलेक्ट कर लेते हैं so that in the end I do not get any problem. So minus 7xy minus 2y square. So this is the first equation which I am getting. Similarly, children, you will be solving minus, the term is x plus y into x minus y. So when you will be solving this, what are you going to get? X into x minus y plus y into x minus y. So that is equal to x into x minus x into y plus y into x minus y square. Now children, these two being the like terms, I am cancelling them, so I get x square minus y square, and this is equation number 2. And now moving on to the third equation, that is x minus 2y and minus 2x plus y. So what do I get from here? That is x into minus 2x plus y minus 2y into minus 2x plus y. So I get minus 2x square, directly I am writing plus xy minus, and minus will give a plus 4xy and minus 2y square. So I get minus 2x square plus 5xy minus 2y square, and I take this to be equation number 3rd. Alright, now children, on writing it in the similar manner, whatever is given in the question, I'll say what we have to do is equation number 1 minus equation number 2 and plus equation number 3. अब इसको ब्रैकेट्स में लिखेंगे. इक्वेशन 1 है माइनस 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 7xy माइनस 2y स्क्वायर माइनस इक्वेशन नंबर 2 ये है x स्क्वायर माइनस y स्क्वायर प्लस इक्वेशन नंबर 3 ये है माइनस 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 5xy माइनस 2y स्क्वायर. So that is equal to minus 3x square minus 7xy minus 2y square minus x square plus y square. See, signs I have changed. Minus 2x square plus 5xy minus 2y square. Now children, collecting the like terms, we look for the like terms. पहले x square वाली ये है और ये है. So 3 terms are there. So this is 3 minus 2 and minus 1. So that is minus 6x square. अब x y वाली terms, we'll look for the x y terms. So x y terms, first one is this, the second one is this. So minus 7 and plus 5 will give minus 2 x y. Now y terms. Y terms we will see. So this is minus, okay. So minus 2y square plus y square minus y square will give me minus 3y square. Now students, regarding your homework. You have to do question number 3, remaining parts, and send before 6 p.m. in the evening, right? And now I am taking the names of the students who have submitted their previous work. So the name of students who have submitted their previous work is Gaurav from 7th A, Aman Mehra, Kunal, Ipshita, Jayesh, Aditya, Shreya, Janvi, Pangari, Tanmay Kumar, Sanvi, Bhargav, Kunal, Avika, Sahil, Janvi Sharma, Akshat Shukla, Trishika, Udayveer, Pratibha, Dev, Abhay Katiyar, Arshi and Sian. I don't feel any other student has sent it on time. So God bless you, do your work and send your homework.